Hey guys, this is my 2002 Toyota 4Runner. Just wanted to share my sleeping platform I built recently. Nothing fancy. It's all like one solid platform. It doesn't fold in or anything like that. One sliding drawer with a divider in the middle. Built with 1x8 pine boards, 3/4 inch plywood. No hinge, just slides. I'll show you these. Cutting boards either side. Just sitting on a high friction plastic. There's 3 of them, and then a couple on each side. Seems to work quite well. Flip out cubby, access that panel as well. Small little area. The one thing, I almost wish I built it a bit higher, but I mean that doesn't bug me at all. It's just a tiny section. Built on 2x8s either side. Little mini box for storage, tools, random stuff, straps. Pretty decent lengthwise space in there for, you know, axe and whatnot. Basic canopy carpet you can get from any carpet store for pretty cheap or free. Oh yeah, I kind of built that pop out too so you could access that still. Nice to have that plug back there. This side houses a lot more space. Ooh. You know, for socket set wrenches and whatnot, I can fit like a whole big socket set in here. Big extinguisher and then other shit. 2x4, you know, frame construction. Mounted down all 4 corners with these. Gotta have them. A lot more space on this side because you can see it, but there's a sub and an amp on the other side. It's nice. If you build one of these, you can kind of build it around that and mount it under there, but make it so you can access it just to be safe. One more thing too. Pretty nice space saver. If you use a VHF radio, I mounted my stereo with the radio itself in there, so it's pretty slim, and it doesn't take like unnecessary space up. So yeah. Yeah, this is the basic little setup. Cheap roof rack, shovel necessary. Thanks for watching, guys.